So we're using the double nuff method. And then the stud says hello. Chop chop. No chop chops here, something. Just break.
Yeah. Watch out, Koval. We're coming for you.
Alright boys, got everything out. We got the studies out as well. So that's all done. And now we're gonna call it a night. Carl wants to go on, but nah. I need my beauty sleep. Sorry boys, that's not going on today. Okay, so we got all the studs out. We are going to put some new studs in with some anti-seize lubricant and got my little helper.
Hi!
Just hold it.
Hello
Hello.
guys. I've been to the kitchen.
Did you?
Yes, certainly.
And that's how you do it, guys. Let's see if you're on.
My dad always takes
Get in there.
videos.
Get in there.
So, got the beautiful new studs on.
Yeah.
So these are all 12s and these are thicker ones, they're 14. And I got my little helper who's beautifully playing next to me. Not asking me many questions. Alright, I'm going to put the gasket on. And let's try the manifold and see how it slides in. And then I can see what happens because...
Is this new?
No, that's old, darling. Gonna have a problem with this bolt at the back because I know it hits the Hypertune runners, so I might have to get another bolt. But I just want to measure it up and see what we
Why do you
need.
have a gap in your contact?
And yeah, gap where?
Under there.
Because I took everything out. That's why. Okay, maybe not on that one. Can you have a look at the tools there? Oh wow! Can you believe that was mine once upon a time? All the bolts are in, as you can see, straightforward. These ones are, I just use the factory ones to later upgrade the turbo. The rear bolt at the back goes in nicely, but this one, so you got a thread on this side and there's just a groove on that side. So the bolt, you cannot get it through because of this runner over here, so I have to find a nut that actually threads into the bottom. The bracket that holds the dump pipe is on, though it's always a good idea to take it off. Reason being, so when you're trying to wiggle the manifold in there, you can move it around a little bit, but just be careful not to move it too much because you've got the oil feeds. Normally you would actually just take the turbo out do it on a bench or something, but if you're going to do it on the car, just be careful. The oil feeds and the flexi oil feed down there, just don't want to crack that. Otherwise, bit of advice from Mr. Carl who was here last night. So I've got the 216s. It's tagged on over there, and I've got the downpipe and the hangers, the factory hangers. I'll just tighten this up, and then we'll go sort out the cat pipe, well, test pipe. So let me just tighten these up, babies up, and then we'll get going. Now I just gotta get my test pipe in there, and Bob's your uncle. I hope, fingers crossed, it fits. Alrighty boys, so we've got the downpipe, cat all hooked up. I could only use one of the braces, factory braces, the one in the rear, the one in the front, nah, it just keeps hitting the pipe, so that's alright. I've seen a few guys run, actually none of them, but I've managed to use one of them, which is good, enough clearance there. The other brace is sitting up there. Now what I'm gonna do is get this O2 on. Should have actually taken it off while I was in the car, but yeah, so get the O2 out. I have a O2 extension as well. You'll need it because the Invidia one is a little bit further down. Yeah, once you get that up, you should be able to put that back in.
2 weeks later.
Well, it's been 2 weeks. We've been to Melbourne and back. My wife had a surgery at the same time, and I've got the O2 sensor after that. So we're gonna bang it on and then finally get this car down. As you can see, the O2 for the Invidia dump goes there, and you gotta actually get this extension to fit it in. Otherwise, the factory cable is gonna run short. But these from SSM Performance, Sanjeet sent me this. It's already got quite a long cable on it, so I think I'll just take this one out and just run that one cable, and we should be good. Sweet, heavy sensor in. What I'll do is just route this cable back in there, plug it in, and just gotta get the radio in, and it'll be all Gucci. Alrighty guys, I've got everything put on together. Just gonna go for a drive, fill some fuel, see how everything sounds, as long as there's no exhaust leak or whatnot. It does sound a little bit different. Only thing I'm a little bit scared of is my mate Carl is telling me that I might have some boost cut issues. We'll see how that goes, eh? I'll just let it warm up. Definitely more responsive than before. Before it just sounded like it was just choking. It just couldn't get the exhaust gases out quicker. I haven't driven this car for over a month. It's been on the stands, jack stands, for at least, I would say, 3.5 weeks. So it's the first time driving it after a very long time. Feels good though. I just noticed one of my bulbs is out. It's gone purple. say one thing, then that I'm not sure about the manifold or the dump, but 100% the downpipe makes the biggest difference whatsoever. Just the factory one is just incredibly small, and it goes way better than it did before. Well guys, there you have it. Went for a little bit of a drive. Had no breeze cut on first, second. I haven't really tried third because the roads were quite busy. So as you can see, it's changing a little bit of color, kind of going a bit goldish, maybe got a little bit bluey. Yeah, it sounds amazing, 100%. That's it guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.